Good morning to everybody. Today we have discussed the topic is terminating decimal. So what is here terminating decimal? After the decimal point, after the decimal point, after the decimal point, number of digits are finite. Number of digits are finite is called terminating decimal. Is called terminating decimal. After the decimal point, number of digits are finite is called terminating decimal. Example 0.23. After the point here, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. This is example 0.1254. So here after the digits, after the decimal point, how many digits are there? 4 digits are there. So this is also example for terminating. Terminating means after the decimal point, number of digits are finite. Finite nothing but countable. After the decimal point, number of digits are countable is called terminating decimal. Or the denominator of a the denominator of a rational number, the denominator of a rational number which is in the form of the denominator of a rational number which is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Here m comma n are non-negative integers. Here m comma n are non-negative integers is called terminating decimal. So what is here terminating decimal? The denominator of a rational number which is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Here m comma n are non-negative integers is called terminating decimal. Example see na example here 13 by 65 25 13 by 25 here what is the denominator that equal 25 25 can be written as 5 square. Here denominator nothing but 25 that equal 5 square. So 5 square into 2 power 0 na. Why? Because any non-zero number power 0 answer is 1. 2 power 0 into 5 square nothing but 25 only. It is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n na. 2 power m into 5 power n na. So it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. It is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore 13 by 25 is a terminating decimal only. 13 by 25 is a terminating decimal only. Denominator which is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So it is a terminating decimal only. After that non-terminating decimals, non-terminating decimal. After the decimal point, after the decimal point, number of digits are uncountable. Number of digits are uncountable is called non-terminating decimal. After the decimal point, number of digits are uncountable is called non-terminating decimals. Example simple 0.1234256 and so on. Here, after the point, number of digits are uncountable or infinite. 0.1234256 and so on. After the decimal point, here number of digits are uncountable. So this is example for non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimals are two types. One is non-terminating repeating decimal. Second one is non-terminating non-repeating decimal. First one is non-terminating repeating decimal. Second one is non-terminating non-repeating decimal. First one non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. After the decimal point, particular digits are repeating continuously. Is called non-terminating repeating decimal. Example 2.45454545 and so on. Here after the decimal point 45 digits are repeating continuously. Second example 1.2222 and so on. Here after the decimal point 2 is repeating continuously. This can be written as 2.45 bar. That nothing but 4 5 repeating continuously here. Here this one can be written as 1.2 bar. Here the digit 2 is repeating continuously. Or denominator of a rational number, which is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n is called non-terminating repeating decimal. Example 5/12. Here denominator, what is the denominator? 12 that equal to 2 square into 3 na, 3 square into 3. It is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Here I am writing one. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. 5/12 denominator 12. It is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. మనకేమైనా డౌట్ అనిపిస్తే చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు చూడు 5/12 is there. We are dividing 5/12. 0.4 is 48. Remaining 2. 0. 12 ones are 12. Remaining 8. 0. 0. That nothing but here 12. 6 are 74. Remaining 6. After that 0. 5/12. 48. 2. 0. 12 ones are 12. 8. Sorry, here's 72. 72. Remaining what is here? 8. 0. Again 6 are 72. Again 8. 0. Again 6 are 72. So 6 is repeating here continuously. 6 is repeating continuously na. So this is example for non-terminating repeating decimal only. Understood ma? ఇక్కడ చూడు 6 అనేది కంటిన్యూస్ గా వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. 0.416 బార్. 0.416 bar. Next one is non-terminating non-terminating, non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. After the decimal point, no digit is repeating continuously, no digit is repeating continuously, is called non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Example Sima 2.3125 414 and so on. Here no digit is repeating continuously. So this is example for non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. అర్థమైంది కదా? So if you understood the class, please subscribe and like and share my videos. Definitely I will do more videos for 10th and inter students. Thank you.